my gosh, y'all, that's a big red. All right, gotta tighten this drag because he's going back towards the dock. Walking backwards, tightening the drag. Oh. Hi, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday morning, the sun is just coming up over the horizon. About to get out here, see if we can try our luck. Got my trusty one knocker spook tied on. Got a nice little school of bait right here in front of us. And the water is way cleaner than it was last time we were out here. Just scared a big fish right here by the shore. Water's a lot cleaner. I'm a little bit more prepared this time. I got my net, my pliers, my fish grips. Let's go see if we can catch some fish. I'm actually going to take my first cast right here off the bank. There's a school of mullet right here in front of me. Ooh. Right there in front of me, y'all. Y'all know I usually get my bites when I'm not looking. As soon as I turn my head. Ooh, missed him again. Thought he had it that time. Little guy ain't giving up on it though. There he is. Man, he did not want to give up on that thing. Ain't a very big trout, but he's got ambition. I'll give him that. He ain't hooked very well, so I'm not horsing him in. He's not very big. I ended up snagging him in the belly. But there's fish number one, y'all. We ain't been out here 5 minutes, so we do have some trout running, which is a good thing. Come here, little guy. He's a little male too, grunting away. That, y'all, ain't the best way to hold him and show y'all, but it's trout number one. 5 minutes in, I watched him chasing shrimp right around these dock pilings, so I threw out there, and he was aggressive. He swiped out that thing 5 or 6 times before he finally took it. Let's get him back in the water. See you later, buddy. Just like that. Oh, there we go, y'all. There's another one. He don't seem very big either, but there's definitely fish here. Right. Another trout. He hit that thing right at the front of the head. Man, I love a topwater bite. Come here, buddy. All right, another short trout. There we go. All right, y'all. Trout number 2. Another beautiful fish. They're small, 12, 13 inches or so. It's another male. Let's let him go. These males are aggressive this morning. Missed one. Oh, there he is, y'all. Got him. Feels like another trout. He hit that thing 2 or 3 times, finally came back for it. Ooh, y'all, this might be a nice trout. Got some nice head shakes going on. Oh, he's swimming in. He's swimming in. Y'all, that's a little bit better. I say he is. He's fighting like he was. Yeah, he's a little bit chunky. Get him in the net. Man, y'all, this is why I don't do this very often. I gotta get better at this. All right, y'all, another trout on the board. He's a little bit bigger. Another aggressive bite. He's probably gonna go 13, maybe 14 inches. Let's let this guy go. I know you're ready. There you go, you're free. Just like that, you gone. He smoked that thing, y'all. Oh my goodness. This might be the best one of the morning so far. I say that. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Man, they are aggressive this morning. They're not very big. That's definitely the biggest one of the day. But they are definitely here. All right, y'all. Yet another trout off this dock. That's gonna be the biggest one today so far. Another aggressive hitting fish there. Let's let him go. Make sure he's gonna be all right. Oh yeah. He swam off like there was no tomorrow. Oh my gosh, y'all. That's a big red. All right, gotta tighten this drag because he's going back towards the dock. Walking backwards, tightening the drag. Oh no, he come off. No. Or did he? No, he's swimming in. Holy crap, y'all, he's right here in front of me. Man, this thing is fast. I was sure he came off. That line, oh, I can't even talk. That line went slack, quick. And I thought he threw the hook. But he I'm assuming this is a red. He came up and rolled on it. No big splash and explosion. Man, this thing is fast. I don't know if this is a red or not. He's circling me. Can't imagine it's a little jack. But the speed on this thing is insane. Look at that thing. Look at that. Yo, holy crap. What do I have here? I'm trying to get him out of the sunlight. Apologize, I know he's facing right in the sun. Y'all can't see nothing like I can't see nothing. But I'm curious as to what this is now. Woo! Come on. Come on. Man, look at them head shakes. Wow. I don't think this is a red. I mean, look at that. What is this? Is this a jack? He keeps going in circles. Usually hard runs like that and then going in circles is a jack. I don't know what it is, but he's swimming right towards me. Y'all, this is a big fish. I don't know if I need to be walking into the shore. I want to see what it is first. I can't get him to come up. Y'all, that's a big old shark. All right, that explains the big head shakes. All right, I'm keeping him away from me. We're gonna walk him up to the bank. I was not expecting that, y'all. Was not expecting that. And I'm not trying to lose my Czar Spook one knocker. I ain't trying to get bit by a shark either. I knew those big runs and those big head shakes was more than a typical big red. I was thinking jack. I never guessed a shark. Oh. All right, we're just gonna walk him up to the beach. Trying to keep him away from me. All right, let's get him walked up to the beach. I don't know anything about shark fishing on the Mississippi coast or what kind of shark this is. Let's get this thing up on the beach. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of shark this is. Now the fun part, get these hooks out. There. All right, guys, y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of shark this is. First shark ever wade fishing. Let's get this thing back in the water while he's still alive. I did get the hook out. See what we can do here. There he goes, just like that. Just like that. All right, y'all. Woo! Shark number one. That was kind of frightening, I'm not gonna lie. All right, go back that way. Go on. Go on now. We're gonna change over to a trout trick. Never tried these before. They look a lot like a Little Slick does, body style. It does have a ribbed body, but it's in this Z-Man plastic, which has that Elastec built into it. So let's see how this lure is gonna work out for us. So we're gonna run this hook just right down the body, straight as we can get it. Which is easier said than done with this style of plastic. Get that thing pushed up on the head like that. It's about as straight as I'm gonna make it. There's my lure selection now. Let's see if that's gonna work for us. There we go, fish on, y'all. There we go. All right, just a few casts in with this lure. Had a bite and a capture. Not too shabby. All right, man, they're aggressive this morning. There's no denying when they hit this thing. You can feel that thump all the way through the rod tip. Another male. Lots of males out here today. Most of them are on the shorter side. I know, you're just grunting away. Come on now. There we go. Hooks out. Yet another one, y'all. They're not very big, but they're here and they're aggressive. They're feeding. Most of these that I'm catching today are males. I'm assuming the females, if I happen to get any, are gonna be a little bit bigger. Let's let him go. Thank you for that. Just soaked me. Oh, fish on. What is that? That is fighting strange, y'all. Don't feel like no shark. He ain't coming up like a trout, but I'm definitely getting some head shakes. Spinning. Uh-oh, that might be a catfish, y'all. Don't jinx me with a cat. No, it's a trout that I snagged in the tail. Y'all check that out. Snagged a trout in the tail, y'all. No wonder he was fighting so weird. That's funny stuff. I'm gonna start sliding this rod down the waders. It's my new way to hold my rod while I get these fish off. Oh, look, hook pulled. All right. Yo, how funny is that? All right, another trout. Got a nice little belly on him. He's still short, but they're here, y'all. They might not be the biggest ones, but the trout are on the beaches again. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, ladyfish. No wonder he's running so fast. Big old ladyfish. Little poor man tarpon action. Come on, sling the hook. Thank you. Oh, you didn't either. You just ran right into me. You sure put up a nice fight on light tackle. That's a good lady. There. Alright, y'all. Big old lady ain't gonna make it up there in the gills. Big old eyeballs. Put up a fun fight though. Poor man's tarpon.